Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sharmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to show you chess tactics for intermediate players called Skewer. I am going to give you 4 different chess tactics Skewer for intermediate players one by one. Let's go to the first chapter in Skewer chess card tactics. Okay. In this particular chess pattern, white to play get a winning position in 2 moves. Okay. I am going to tell you again. White to play get a winning position in 2 moves only. Okay. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. If you know the answer, do you know the answer in the particular chess pattern in chapter 1, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay. Now the timer is running. Okay. Okay, now we can go to the chapter 1 answer. Why to play get a winning position in 2 moves only. Okay, first move is queen h3. Okay, queen h3. Now this is called skewer. Now king need to move and king go to c6. Then grabs the rook for free. Queen cross c8. That's it. That's why white going to win easily. Okay. We can go to the chapter 2 in chess tactics Skewer. Okay. Hello chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 2. In this particular pattern, why to play get a winning position in 1 move only. Okay, I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the right answer. White turn. First move is white turn. Please share your answer below the comment section before the 15 seconds. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer now. Okay. The timer is running now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello chess friends and chess lovers. Now the timer is done. Now I am going to give you the right answer. Only 1 moves. Why to play get a winning position in 1 moves. Okay. Let's push the rook. White rook go to h5. Now you can see how to white won. Now this rook here is a skewer. Okay. This is called skewer. That's why king need to move. If king move like this, wrap the knight. That's it. Now totally white going to win easily. Okay. We can go to the chapter 3. Hello chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 3. Black to play get a winning position in 3 moves only. Black to play get a winning position in 3 moves. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. If you Do you know the answer? Please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay? This is like to play. Okay. The timer is running now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Now the timer is end. We can go to the answer. Chapter 3. Okay. Let's go to the first move. Black to play, how to black won the game. I am going to explain deeply. Okay. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. Now, black to cut the white bishop. Then queen cut the rook. Then beautiful move make bishop c6. There is a beautiful skewer. You can see now this bishop, this is skewer. If king need to move, king go to d3, king go to here d3, then wrap the rook. That's it. This is chapter 3. We can go to the chapter 4. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 4. Why to moves get a winning position in 3 moves only. I am going to give you the 15 seconds only. Please share your answer below the comment section before the 15 seconds. I am going to give you the 15 seconds now. The timer is running. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Now the timer is end right now. I am going to give you the right answer. White moves. Okay. First move is white. How to white won the game. Okay. This is very card skewer. I am going to teach you. Okay. First move is bishop e5 and beautiful check. Then king take the bishop. Then beautiful queen make a beautiful move, make queen c3 and check. There is a skewer. Now there is a skewer. In the same time, now king need to move. King go there. Then cut the queen. That's it. That's why easily won white. Okay. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.